Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can view and edit two parts of a Word document on Word 2016. So this is the Word document that I have here, so if we want to view two parts of it at once, then all we're going to do is we're going to click on the View tab up here, and then once we've done that, we're then going to click Split, and that will then separate the Word document up into two separate sections. So you can independently scroll on each one of these, like so. And you can change the size of it by clicking and then dragging the line up or down, like so. Now, if you want to remove it and put it back to how it was before, then all you need to do is click Remove Split, and it will put it back to a single view. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.